Breaking news. The biggest crypto hack in all of history took place yesterday, and we are all in shambles, or are we? In today's session, today's video, we are going to be discussing what happened in the Bybit hack yesterday, who caused the Bybit hack, who is the hacker, what you need to look out for, and whether you should continue to trade on Bybit or not. You're going to have to excuse those because there's something in my Telegram channel that I want to share with you and show you today. So make sure to stay tuned right to the very end. I'm going to fly through this content. I had a whole bunch of trades open yesterday that I closed because of that Bybit hack. Otherwise, I was going to get liquidated in all of those because when Bitcoin drops hard, all the others drop so hard too. So let's not waste a single second. Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss channel community. You guys, I don't know why you are not watching that video there. Bitcoin is unstoppable. It is an unstoppable train. There is no ways. Yes, we're going to have volatility up and down in the markets, but that's okay because we are going up all the time. All the time. If you zoom out, when in doubt, you will see that. I've shown you the rainbow chart so many times, but I'm not going to show you that today. Right now, I'm just going to share with you that Meta Planet owns now 2,100 BTC, and that means that that is 0.01% of all the Bitcoin that will ever exist. Okay, I don't think you know how interesting that is. That Bitcoin is now worth $203 odd million. That's massive, my friends, and without a doubt, what I'm about to show you can show you that is going to end up being about $2 billion pretty soon. All right, make sure to stay tuned right to the end. Just in the last 30 days, we have seen total active unique stablecoin addresses reach 37.4 million, with USDT accounting for about 29.7 million, so the majority of it. And notably, 72% or 21.5 million of these active addresses are on BNB Chain and Tron, while Polygon has nearly double the addresses of Ethereum. So top chains by active USDT addresses in the last 30 days. Without a doubt, BNB is the biggest, way bigger than Tron. They're both kind of similar costing. Polygon is somewhat a little bit more. And interesting how much hype Solana's had, but yet Solana's only really 1.1 million and Ethereum about 1.6 million. So Cello, which I'm sure most of you don't even know about, are pretty much in alignment with Solana. Optimism's pretty much there, Avalanche not as much, and Arbitrum quite a ton here. This data is from the 21st of February. Now, the interesting thing about all of this that's busy happening is that USDC, 800 million in USDC has been transferred from the USDC treasury to Coinbase. $800 million. That means somebody is exchanging their dollars for USDC, a stablecoin, which means they're going to buy Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, that's just as simple as it is. Now, Bybit has just had 2,999 Bitcoin that were transferred to it from an unknown wallet to Bybit. Okay, after everything that's just been going on, you know, Bybit has just recently had an attack yesterday. Crazy, biggest all-time attack in all of history. We'll get onto that in the next post. But this is amazing that nearly 3,000 Bitcoin were transferred. Now, North Korea's Lazarus Group is responsible for the $1.4 billion hack of Bybit, according to Zach XBT. So I don't know how true this is. If you know, let me know down in the comments below how true that is. But honestly, guys, all I can say to you right now is that I don't normally keep my coins on exchanges. Coins that are not available on the hardware wallets, of course, you have to leave them on the exchanges. So it is what it is. And not all YouTubers will honestly tell you the truth about that, because there are coins that the Ledger wallets and the Nano, all the wallets called hardware wallets, don't actually have on them, okay? Which means that you're exposed to any potential hacks that you may end up seeing on an exchange, which means that you honestly have to protect whatever it is that you possibly can. And that's why every single coin that can be put onto those hardware wallets should be put on and removed off of the exchanges. But Bybit, being the third largest exchange in the world, has handled this situation like an absolute boss. Ben from Bybit has come out and said that even if we are experiencing a bank run, it's not an issue. We have enough tokens to give the clients. So he has come out, he has been honest about everything that has been happening. He has experienced a bank run. He's handling it like a true champion. He's not running away from it. He is telling people that they are okay, even though $1.4 billion was literally just siphoned out. And about 70% of that was Ethereum. Sorry, about 70% of Bybit's Ethereum holdings were part of the hack. Okay, which means they have now double what Vitalik Buterin has, as well as, I mean, that's quite scary because they now are the 14th largest holder of Ethereum. That means the Ethereum price could get absolutely crushed or slaughtered. But this is about to unfold, guys. This is about to happen. This isn't going to go anywhere. And I can tell you that, even though the markets are being affected, we had a $927 billion, so nearly $1 trillion wiped out from the US stock market yesterday. All right. I don't know. Could Trump be part of this from the tariff hikes? I don't know. Honestly, this was way more. Okay, $927 billion was wiped out. And we're comparing and moaning about $1.4 billion here that just kind of blipped the market a little bit. Come on, guys. Be real right now, okay? Because the teeny tiny little move that we saw in... use my Bybit link down below. Get yourself a $30,000 deposit bonus. I can tell you something right now, my friends. This is still a great exchange. I am still trading here. And to prove that, here are my trades at the moment, okay? Those are my trades. We'll go through those in a short little moment. But it doesn't matter, man. Bitcoin was like making such a nice move up here yesterday, and I thought we were going to get a good breakup. But shit like this happens. And guess what? We only retested this down-sloping line over here, okay? Which is pretty darn decent considering that really, like, the fall was not that bad for what happened. Okay, so cool, we're getting across on the stochastic. The MACD ain't even got its momentum yet, but somebody is suppressing this market so that they can continue to buy Bitcoin under a $100,000 level. And hence why you can actually see that we've been trading between this zone and this zone right here. So I would not be going anywhere because you should be buying on the bottoms, allowing it to run up to the top. And if you're trading this, buy on the bottom, take profit up at the top. Simple as that. Now, the beauty behind the hack is that you will get your money back. They on it like crazy right now. And so I would not be worried, especially when you're seeing Russian President Putin calls to partner with Elon Musk to advance technology development. Now, I want to say to you guys that if you've seen Trump and Elon Musk's relationship, they're building like absolute crazy. And so the seemingly crazy war, currency, country, nation state war that we're having between US and China and Russia, like this is just smoke and mirror shit, okay? It's noise to distract you. And you need to be seeing over here more than you are watching, okay? Because what is busy happening is that they're all gearing up. They all own some gold. They all own their own Bitcoin quantities. They're busy working towards Bitcoin. And the technology that they're all busy working on in all different nation states are pretty much the same thing. And if Elon Musk is the man behind building these technologies and Trump is the man behind building a treasury reserve using Bitcoin, oh my epic, you guys have no idea. There's going to be Russia buying, there's going to be Russia buying, there's going to be China buying, there's going to be US buying. Crazy amounts of Bitcoin and crypto. Don't be fooled because the Solana ETFs are coming out. As you can see, all right, what is critical right now is to understand how what the path is to get to $1 million on Bitcoin. Gold is sitting at a $19 trillion market cap, sub $3,000. So, and Bitcoin is currently sitting at position 7th on all assets in history. Now, BlackRock is sitting at about a $12 trillion market cap, and they own some Bitcoin, which means that the more Bitcoin goes up, the more BlackRock is going to go up. So they're going to try and keep their market cap above Bitcoin at this point, no doubt, because I don't think BlackRock wants to see anything else in this world do better than it. And the only thing that's doing better than it right now is gold, because they don't own all the gold, okay? But what I can say to you is that once Bitcoin hits that, which is only 6x away, so it takes us to about $600,000, that's going to be amazing. But at the same time, BlackRock is buying Bitcoin, and their market cap will also be increasing as the value of Bitcoin increases. So hence why I'm saying to you right now that it's going to be quite a challenge to see. Interesting, right? Bitcoin's path to gold's market cap is 10x, which means that is the $1 million level for Bitcoin right now. Now, the interesting fact behind this is that we are getting ready to see altcoin season absolutely pump, because once Bitcoin pumps here, okay, because this is just literally a breakup and a retest of this downsloping level. That's all you need to know. The MACD is still telling us we're getting ready for a burst up. The stochastic is retesting itself. I would not be going anywhere. I'm in a bunch of trades. I've been sharing with you my trades. I got into my Bitcoin one a little while ago. I've been showing you my Bitcoin one. Peanut, I got into this morning, up 60%. Dodge, up 4%. Say I'm down maybe 1%. Say is up 3%. BNT is down 1%. Aptos down 11%. Spell is up 8%. And Ponke down 2%. And Arkham up 24%. So I'm not just talking, I'm showing you guys my trades. I'm showing you guys what it is that I'm doing. If you would like to know more, share your views down in the comments below and let me know if you'd like me to do more trading videos so I can show you how to look for entries, exits, and get in and out of the trades. Okay, now with that being said, with Bitcoin starting to make its move back up, that will mean that all other cryptos will make a path forward to the upside, because there's more liquidity and more volume coming in. And this is why you should be subscribed to my Crypto Bliss Alerts channel on Telegram. It's down in the description of the video. Check that out. This is why 4-year cycles happen in altcoins. Altcoin season is 4-year cycles, just like Bitcoin and crypto and the stock markets are 4-year cycles. And you can see here, February 24, 2017 was the largest wealth transfer in the history of the world, okay? Which essentially you can see here that we made this nice pump up here. But in 2021, we made an even bigger pump. Okay, and the same time, that's 4 years, February 2021, boom, hit the bottom, up, okay? Ironically, double bottom, double bottom, double bottom. We're at this point, we're in February right now. Altcoin season is about to start jamming. If you are not invested in altcoins as well right now, you are going to be missing out on the literal biggest wealth transfer in all of history. Crypto is that wealth transfer, my friends. And that's why we are going to see massive, double at least what we're seeing in 2017 over here in this bull cycle. And you can see that we're in a long-term broadening, ascending wedge pattern, which is very bullish. Okay, imagine one day we get out on the top of this, because sometimes these patterns do break out on the top and go absolutely ballistic. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Beautiful content from the Crypto Bliss channel and community, and I thank you for being part of me and this community. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, because it really helps the YouTube algorithm push my content out there for people just like you seeking advice in the crypto space. And of course, this isn't financial advice. I'm just sharing with you my experience, my knowledge in this space with you. So thank you for being here. We'll see you on the next one.